30 years ago, we introduced the first Vermeer horizontal directional drill, a defining moment in our history, a game changer for everyone around the world, a new and sustainable way to connect electricity, fiber, gas, water. Today is no different. The demand to install and sustain infrastructure continues to grow. What comes next is no different. Vermeer is leading the way again. Introducing the all-new, all-electric family of Vermeer horizontal directional drilling systems. Clean, quiet, a new level of productivity to underground installation. Visit Vermeer.com to learn more.